Investing more than $1,000 in a robot vacuum comes down to one critical question. Does the performance justify the price? The Yeedi S14 Plus and Roborock Saros 10 both present compelling arguments, but their strengths couldn't be more different. One prioritizes intensive floor scrubbing and maximum cleaning force, while the other relies on advanced intelligence, premium design, and effortless automation. In this detailed comparison, we're examining exactly where your investment goes and which model delivers superior real-world value. Understanding the design philosophy of these robots reveals everything you need to know up front. The Yeedi S14 Plus embodies the appearance and functionality of a conventional flagship robot vacuum. It's robust, moderately substantial, and clearly engineered to emphasize maximum cleaning power and intensive mopping. The Roborock Saros 10, by contrast, represents pure elegance and precision engineering. It's considerably thinner, more sophisticated, and obviously constructed to access places most robot vacuums simply cannot. That ultra-slim profile represents one of the Saros 10's most significant advantages. Thanks to its retractable LiDAR system, it maintains an incredibly low height, enabling it to navigate under beds, sofas, and cabinets where dust naturally accumulates. For households with abundant low furniture, the Saros 10 instantly demonstrates it belongs in a superior category. The Yeedi S14 Plus maintains reasonable dimensions by standard measurements, but it cannot replicate that exceptionally low profile, meaning certain areas will require periodic manual attention. Moving to suction performance, this is precisely where Yeedi demonstrates its strength. The S14 Plus provides up to 18,000 pascals of suction, which easily handles deep carpet cleaning, substantial debris, and pet hair. During everyday operation, it demonstrates power and reliability, particularly on carpets where budget-friendly robots frequently underperform. The Roborock Saros 10 advances even further, achieving suction approaching 22,000 pascals. In practical application, this indicates both excel, but the Saros 10 maintains a marginal advantage regarding extracting fine dust from dense carpets or managing high-traffic areas. Having said that, suction capability alone provides an incomplete picture. Brush engineering and hair management carry equal importance, particularly for pet owners. Yeedi employs its Zero Tangle 2.0 system, which performs exceptionally at preventing hair from tangling around the main brush. Roborock responds with its dual anti-tangle brush system, and practically speaking, both manage hair remarkably well. For anyone consistently dealing with hair accumulation, neither of these robots represents a compromise. The true differentiation emerges with mopping capabilities. The Yeedi S14 Plus implements a roller-style Osmo mopping system, and this represents genuine innovation. Rather than simply dragging a flat pad across the floor, it actively scrubs using a rotating roller with constant pressure. In practical use, this produces significantly superior stain removal, especially for dried spills, sticky spots, and kitchen messes. When mopping performance ranks high on your priority list, the S14 Plus functions more like a dedicated floor cleaner than a robot performing a secondary task. The Roborock Saros 10 employs a different strategy with its Vibra-Rise mopping system. It vibrates the mop pad at high frequency to dislodge dirt, while intelligently raising the mop when carpets are identified. It's intelligent, sophisticated, and exceptionally safe for mixed flooring homes. Nevertheless, compared to Yeedi's roller system, it's somewhat gentler. For light to moderate mopping, it's outstanding. For persistent stains, the Yeedi generally prevails. Mapping and intelligence represent another significant competitive arena. Roborock has consistently ranked among the industry's best for mapping and obstacle avoidance, and the Saros 10 maintains that reputation. Its LiDAR-based navigation, paired with AI obstacle detection, demonstrates confidence and accuracy. It circumvents cables, shoes, and random clutter more consistently, and room mapping proves accurate from the initial run. Yeedi's navigation has advanced considerably, and the S14 Plus performs well overall, but it can sometimes demonstrate less sophistication in complicated spaces. It accomplishes the task, but with numerous obstacles, compact layouts, or unpredictable clutter, the Roborock demonstrates superior environmental awareness. Examining the docking stations matters, since both systems aim to reduce manual intervention. The Yeedi S14 Plus includes a capable all-in-one station that empties the dustbin, washes the mop with hot water, and dries it with hot air. This proves particularly crucial given its roller mop, which requires regular cleaning to prevent odor or bacteria accumulation. The system functions effectively and truly enables a hands-off experience. Roborock stock presents a more premium and more automated solution. It doesn't just empty dust and wash the mop, but also manages detergent dispensing and advanced drying cycles. It's the type of dock you practically forget exists, which is precisely the intention. Both are outstanding, but Roborock stock demonstrates slightly superior refinement in daily use. Endurance proves impressive on both models. The Yeedi S14 Plus provides up to 4.5 hours of runtime on a single charge, making it particularly well-suited for larger homes without requiring frequent recharge breaks. The Saros 10 similarly handles large spaces confidently, delivering around 3.7 hours of use per charge. In summary, both offer sufficient endurance to clean most homes thoroughly without any additional stress. Cost and overall value represent where the distinctions become significantly more apparent. The Roborock Saros 10 firmly positions itself in the ultra-premium segment, with a price tag of around $1,600. That elevated cost represents its refined engineering, advanced intelligence, slim profile, and the level of polish Roborock brings to its ecosystem. The Yeedi S14 Plus, though still decidedly a premium robot, arrives at a more accessible $1,200. Considering its robust cleaning performance, especially its aggressive and effective mopping, it emerges as a compelling value option for buyers who want flagship-level capability without paying top-tier pricing. Making your final decision depends on your specific needs and priorities. For homes with abundant low furniture, mixed flooring, and where you prioritize top-tier navigation and a refined smart experience, the Roborock Saros 10 proves difficult to surpass. It performs like a robot engineered to effortlessly solve problems you weren't even aware existed. However, when deep mopping, strong suction, and raw cleaning power matter most, especially in kitchens, dining areas, or homes with kids and pets, the Yeedi S14 Plus provides incredible performance for the price and never feels like a compromise at all.